Welcome, lovely people. This is my pre-market analysis for MES futures, and today is July 22nd, 2026, and the time is 8:40. So I have already marked my supply and demand zone, that is the structures I'll be looking to buy and sell from. But then I'll take you through step by step. The first step is to check if there's an event today, and for that I use my FS book. So let's check what's happening today, if there's any big event. Today is Wednesday, July 22nd over here. And if you go to my FS book, you see that there's no big event today. Normally the big event is marked by red, like something over here, and they'll say high, meaning that the impact of the news is high. But if you see over here, there's no high impact news. All the news have medium impact. So today we are going to trade without any big crazy movement. Now let's see the market structure. First, to analyze charts, you need to check the market structure. What is the big picture? So to look at the big picture, I look at the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, I see the market is a little bit bullish. However, there was a short over here. It couldn't break the structure down here, and the market began to buy. And overnight, there's been a slight pullback to the zone, which is preparing or might be starting to buy. Nobody knows. So let's say the market is bullish, because that's what we're seeing over here. On the 4-hour, it's bullish. On the 15 minutes, we see buyers are in control right now. They are preventing the market from going below this level. So we can say it's still bullish. And also you see that there's a uptrend, pullback, push, and pullback. So we still say the market is bullish. On the 4-hour, this is my supply zone. And on the 15 minutes too, this is my supply zone. But then I don't know if the market will get there. The points are so much. But then if you still get there, I'm going short. So this is my first supply zone. If the market gets to 7614 or 7621, I'm going to look for a short over here if I see the market rejecting this level. This side is also my other supply zone, my immediate supply zone, where I'll be looking for a short. So if the market gets somewhere here, that is 7543 or 7552, I'll be looking for a short. I will not be looking for a short blindly, just like that. I'll be looking for a rejection from the side. So if I see the market is turning bearish over here, then I'll short targeting down here. Also, with my key levels, this is my demand zone. When the market gets here, that is 7490 and 7499, I'll be looking long. If it gets here, I'll be looking for a bullish vibe. I'll be looking for more buyers getting to this level. And when I see more buyers getting this level and I see a bullet break of structure, then I'll be looking for a buy. Same apply to this place. That is the level is 7470 and 7480. When it gets here, I'll be looking to long. So this is my key levels that I'll be looking at for today. Now let's go to the liquidity. Over here, we see liquidity formed over here. People stop are placed over here. The side too, you see that people stop will be placed over here. Same apply to the side. So for me, when all these three stops are taken, that is when I'll be looking to take my entry from below here. Also, there's liquidity over here. When this stop is taken, this one, and this stop is taken, then I'll be looking to take another entry over here. Now let's look at liquidity above. For liquidity above, there are sellers over here. Sellers are placing their stop over here. So when liquidity is taken from here and all over here, then I'll be looking to take my entry. I always take entries after liquidity is taken. So now let's come to my entries. If I enter from here, that's this blue zone, I'll be looking to take my profits from this side. That's a point of control, this POC, this side. Also, if I short from here, I'll be looking to take my profits from here. That is below the liquidity of the structure. So that's my plan for today. I hope the market go my way. If the market doesn't go my way, I just remain cash. I don't trade. Let's see what happened from 9:30 to 11:30. Hope you'll be there. Enjoy your day and stay green. Bye for now.